Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from topics ISLM of macroeconomics. ISLM model from macroeconomics. Suppose that C equals to 400 plus 0.75 YD, I equals to 400 minus 20R, G equals to 300, T equals to 400. mg by p is 0.25 minus 10r, n equals to 1000, p equals to 2. Calculate the equilibrium values of r and y. Now c equals to 400 plus 0.75 yd. This is our consumption function. Consumption function is C equals to 400 plus 0.75 YD. YD is disposable income. It is defined as Y minus tax, Y minus T. In place of T, I am writing 400. Therefore, this is 400 plus 0.75 Y minus 400. After solving, we get 400 plus 0.75y minus 0.75 into 400 becomes 0.75 into 400 becomes 300. Therefore, this is 100 plus 0.75. Now, consumption function is reduced as 100 plus 0.75y. Investment function denoted by I equals to 400 minus 20r. And government purchase is denoted by G equals to 300. Now in equilibrium, in the goods market, y equals to c plus I plus g. I's curve shows the combination of r and y. R is the real rate of interest, y is the income. Combination of real rate of interest and income such that the goods market is in equilibrium. The equation for IS curve is y equals to c plus I plus g. Now in place of c, I am writing 100 plus 0.75y. In place of I am writing 400 minus 20r. In place of g, I am writing 300. Now I take 0.75y on the left hand side, y minus 0.75y equals to this 100, this 400, that is 500 plus 300, that is 800 plus minus 20r, or 0.25y equals to 800 minus 20r. Or we multiply both sides by 4, we get y equals to 3200 minus 80r. This is equation number 1. This is the equation of the IS curve. This is the equation of the IS curve. Now we do the equation of the LM curve and then we solve these two equations and to get r and y. Now we do for the LM curve. LM curve shows the money market equilibrium condition. LM curve shows the money market equilibrium condition. I am writing IS curve equation here. IS curve equation, y equals to 3200 minus 80r. The equilibrium condition in the money market or LM curve is real demand for money equals to real money supply. The equation for Allen curve, real money supply equals to real money demand. Real money demand. Now, real money supply is what? M by P. This is M by P equals to real money demand is MD by P. This is 0.25Y. This is 0.25Y minus 10R. Now M and P are given. This is 1000 by 2, 500 equals to 0.25Y minus 10R, or if we multiply both sides by 4, we get 2000 equals to Y minus 10R, or Y equals to 2000 plus 10R. This is the equation of the Allen curve. This is the equation of the Allen curve. Now we solve 1 and 2 to get the value of R and Y. From 1 and 2 we get 3200 minus 80R equals to 2000 plus 10R, because Y equals to 2000 plus 10R. From the Allen curve equation and from the IS curve equation we get Y equals to 3200 minus 80R. Now we take 3200 on the left hand side. This becomes 3200 minus 2000 equals to, we take 80R on the right hand side, 80R plus 10R, 80R plus 10R. Sorry, I have done one mistake. If we multiply this thing by 4, then this 10 becomes 40. This 10 becomes 40. Therefore, this left hand side is 1200 and right hand side is 120R, or R equals to 1200 by 120. This is 10. Real rate of interest is 10%. R is always expressed in the percentage, that is R equals to 10%. Now we calculate Y, value of Y, that is Y equals to 2000 plus 40 into, in place of R I am writing 10. We can put the value of R either in equation 2 or in equation 1. We get the same value. This is 2000 plus 400. Therefore, Y equals to 2400 units. The equilibrium values of R is R 10% and Y 2400. Answer is the equilibrium values of R and Y are 10% and 2400 units respectively. This is the answer of this question. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.